Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is surface areas and volumes. And in previous class we take and solve some important questions based on surface area and volumes. Now in today's class we take some important questions based on the chapter surface area and volumes, and which is comes in previous year board examination. And your question is, let's see the question. This is very important question, okay, of your syllabus. And the question is, a toy is in the form of a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. Form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, mounted on a hemisphere. Mounted on a hemisphere. Mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Of same radius. The total height of the toy is the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Find the total area of the toy. Find the total surface area of the toy. Now let's see its solution. This is the question. This is very important question, dear students, of your syllabus. So please, dear students, let's see. We are very concentrated. Okay. Now, here a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. Look, means the toy is in the form of like that. This is a hemisphere and conical above it. This toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. Let us take. It means this toy is in the form of this A, B, C, and this is point D. Okay, and it is clear that here the common radius we are. Let us consider the common radius of cone and hemisphere we are centimeter. That is, which is given as what? 3.5. Means R is common radius given as 3.5 centimeter. Now look, this is 3.5 centimeter, and you know that this is the common radius and the height or the radius of the hemisphere is same as the height. So from there this is also 3.5. Okay, this height of the hemisphere from the surface of the earth of this toy is what? 3.5. Now, total height of the toy. Dear student, the total height means total height of the toy is what? 15.5 centimeter. 15.5 centimeter means total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Now, total height 15.5. So first of all, we find total surface area. So now we find the height of the conical portion. From figure, height of the conical portion be what? Height of the conical portion is what? 15.5 minus 3.5. 15.5 minus 3.5. So which is what? Let's see. Means this is the height of the cone. Okay. So 15.5 and 3.5 is 0, 2, 1. This is 12. 12 centimeter is the height of the cone. 12 centimeter. Now, what we find? Dear students, we find the surface area of the toy. Total means we find the total surface area of the toy. Now look, the total surface area of the toy. The total surface area of the toy is what? Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, now look, the formula for the curved surface area of cone is what? Pi into Rn plus curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. So we take pi r as common. Okay. So in bracket we get what? L plus yes. Pi r common na 2r. We get equation number 1. So look, dear friend, this is the formula. This is the formula for total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy. Okay. Total surface area of the toy. Now look. This is the formula for total surface area of the toy. Now look. So first of all we have R is already given as we get R as 3.5. So first I only find the value of slant height. And you know that the relation between them, since we know that, look, since we know that L square is equal to H square plus R square. We know that this is the relationship between slant height and radius of the cone. So L square is equal to H is what? We find the height of the cone is what? 12. So this is 12 square and plus R. The value of R is what? 3.5. So we can write 35 upon 10. 5 7 the 5 to the 7 upon 2. So this is 7 upon 2. We can write whole square. We write it in fraction. Okay. Now we simplify them. So L square is equal to, this is 144 plus 49 upon 4. Now we take 4 as LCM. So plus 49 plus 49. So we get L square is equal to 576 and 49 plus 8 625. So this is 625 upon 4. 625 upon 4. This is the value of L square. Thus L square to what? N square root 625 upon 4. Okay. So we get L is equal to this is 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2 centimeter. Okay. So in this way, dear friend, we find the length of the slant height of the conical portion is what? 25 upon 2. Okay. So in this way, dear friend, we find the slant height of the cone. Now, what I do, dear friends? Now, dear friend, we put the values of L, R and pi in equation first. Okay. Now look. Look. Now, from equation 1, total surface area of total surface area of pi is what? Pi is what? 22 upon 7 into R. R is what? The value of R is what? 7 upon 2. Okay. Now L plus 2R. L is what? 25 upon 2 plus 2R. And then 2 into R is what? 7 upon 2. Yeah, 3.5. Now look. 7 cancel to this is 11. So 11 into this is 24. So we get as what? 25.2 as what? 12.5 plus 7. So we get 11 into 19.5. 11 into 19.5. Okay. Look, this is the concept here. Now this is the, now we multiplying them. Look, dear friends. Now we multiply 19.5 11. This is 209. Okay. No. Okay. 214.5. 214.5 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. This question is one of the most important questions of your syllabus based on the topic what? Surface area and columns. So please let's do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on surface areas and volumes. This is a very important question, okay, based on the combination of solid, dear students. So please revise all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Look. We take a very important question based on this topic. Let's see. Another question is, a solid is in the form of a solid is in the form of a solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. With hemispherical ends. The total height of the solid is the total height of the solid is 19 centimeter and the diameter of the cylinder and diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Find the volume and total surface area of the solid. And the volume and the total surface area of the solid. Okay. And here the value, we take the value pi as 22/7. Dear students, this is also very important questions based on the topic surface areas and volumes. Okay. So let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that questions? Let's see its solution. Here a solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends, like that. Look, hemispherical ends. Okay, means this is the cylinder. One part. Okay, this is the form of a solid, a cylindrical motion, and but it ends in the form of hemisphere. Okay, now A, B, C, D, E, F, O, O dash. Okay, dear students. Now, here the total height of the solid. Dear student, the total height of the solid given as what? 19 centimeter. Total height of the solid is what? 19 centimeter, and the diameter of the cylinder is 7. Look, from figure it is clear that the radius of cylinder as well as hemispherical ends are same. Okay, because of this sphere formed at the end of the cylinder. Now, since from figure from figure the common radius of cylinder and hemisphere be r. Let us consider the common radius. Of cylinder and hemisphere be r. Okay. Now look, cylinder and common. So now this is the diameter is given as 7. So radius is what? D/2 means 7/2 centimeter. So this is 7/2 Okay, and this is also 7 by 2 centimeter. Now first of all we find the surface area na, volume and total surface area. So for finding the volume and total, first of all we find the height of the cylindrical portion, and height of the cylindrical portion was, let's see from figure, height of cylindrical portion h is equal to, height of the cylindrical portion h is equal to 19 minus 2 into 7 by 2, because of we minus this and this height, 2 to cancel to each other, so 19 minus 10, that is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter, dear students. Okay, now look, so this is the height of the cylindrical portion is for 12 centimeter. Okay, now we find the volume of the solid. Thus volume of solid is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of 2 into volume of each sphere. Volume of each sphere. So we get what? Look, volume of cylinder pi r square into h plus 2 into volume of each hemisphere, means what? Hemisphere, which is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now here pi r square take as common, so we get h plus 4 by 3 into r. Now we put all the values in that formula. Look, pi 22 upon 7 into r square. This is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, okay, into h. Value of h is what? Height of the cylinder is 12 plus 4 by 3 into r is what? 7 by 2. Okay, now we simplify them. Look, 7 cancel to each other. 11 7 is 77 upon 2 into 2 2s are 4, so 12 plus 14 upon 3. 14 upon 3. Now we take the LCM as 3, so 77 upon 2 into, this is 36 plus 14 upon 3 na? Yes. Now this is what? Now volume is equal to 77 upon 3 to the 6 into 15. This is 25, 2 3 ja. So now we subtract, divided, then divide and multiply. 77 divided by 3, 25.66 into 25. So after multiplying them, we get 641.66 centimeter cube. This is the value of volume of the solid. This is the value of the volume of solid. Now we take and solve the second part of this question. Now total surface area of solid. Now total surface area of solid is what? Total surface area of solid is what? Third surface area of cylinder plus 2 into surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere. Now look. So dear friends, here look, third surface area of cylinder is what? 2 pi RH plus 2 into surface area of hemisphere means 2 pi r square. Okay, so here we will get 2 pi RH plus what? This is 4 pi r square. Now we take 2 pi r as common, so we get h plus 2 r, h plus 2r. Okay, now dear friends, we put r the value. This is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is what? Okay, so here you have r is what? R is what? This is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 by r. Okay, into h means what? Height of the cylinder is what? This is 12 plus 2 into r is what? 7 by 2. Now 7 cancel to each other, 2 cancel to each other, so that is 22 into 2 cancel to each other, 19 means 22 into 19. So we multiply them. So 1922. This is 418. Yes, yes. Thus, the required answer is means total surface area of toy is 418 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the solid. This is, so dear students, this is a very important question based on surface area and volume. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, because of these are the very important questions. So let's see once more time. This is what? This is the given solid, and this is the ends of that solid is what? Hemispherical ends. And first of all we find total surface area. We find the first of all we find the height of the cylindrical portion, and after that we apply the formula for that and solving them, so we get our result. So please dear students, do more and more practices of all the questions which is discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Now look, now just dear students, in this thus dear students, in this way in today's class we take some important questions based on the topic surface area and volumes. Now dear students, in next class we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics and complete your NCERT exercise. So first you revise all the questions and do your NCERT exercise. Okay, now thanks to all.